Oh, yes, in the presence of my King, I will bring my gifts in thanksgiving and love. Oh, yes, in the presence of my lover, I will bring my gifts in thanksgiving and love. There is joy in my heart, it is flowing like a river. I will pray.